this. Got my pencil. Got that. Alright. What's up, y'all? This is Henny. The hell was that? What's up, fam, and welcome back to the channel. And I know what you waiting on. You waiting to see if I collaborated with Henny Tha Bizness. And I did. Okay, a little. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. This video is a little bit of clickbait. But I did get a chance to collaborate with Henny. And the good news is you can collaborate with him too, using his sample pack, and it's available on his website. Just head to his website and I'm gonna drop a link in the description down below. For years I grew up on Henny Tha Bizness's music production, and it kind of sculpted the way that I produce music myself today. He's been one of the biggest influences in the way that we listen to hip hop and R&B today. So just having the opportunity to work with him on any type of level in any type of way is definitely beyond me right now. We knew that the internet was powerful, but not this powerful. So today is the day that we're gonna cook up with Henny. Yes, and I do mean we, like you and me. Because like I said, these sample packs are available on his website for you to download and you to get started with your own collaboration with Henny Tha Bizness. He has multiple sound packs available, anywhere from drums to melodies, even sound loops. It's almost impossible not to catch any vibes creating with these samples. So that's what we're getting into today. Let's tap in. Yo, I'm so excited. All right, so I already got started going through some of the sound loops and stuff inside of his sample kit, and this is one of the ones that I like the most. So here's the original sample. Like for real, like yo, I always wondered what a Henny Tha Bizness and Brandon Rico collab would sound like. This is about to be dope. That's all I'm gonna say. So what I did was I changed the start time, and I am going to live stretch it. I already set the BPM inside of the sample editor, and I'm going to set the live stretch on to performance. I'll do to quality. Here's our tempo. I kinda feel like I already know what I want that to do, just a little bit. Just a little bit. So let me set that to an 8-bar loop. I think I want to change the key, so I'm gonna just go lower. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling it already. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Yo, all right, let me calm down. Okay, all right. Let me pick the right bass. You gotta pick the right bass. You gotta pick the right. All right, let's go. Go! I'm gonna get it. Watch this. Hold up. I gotta do that. Come on. Let me try that. Let me see how that look. Let me see how it look. I am feeling that. Yo. Somebody tell Henny Tha Bizness to hit my line. Alright, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed playing it. That was dope. I like the beat. I hope you do too. Remember, if I can create like this, you can create like this. You can tell how excited I am because of just, oh man. Hopefully one day I'll be able to actually sit in the room and create with Henny Tha Bizness himself. Maybe one day. But until then, I'm Brandon Rico. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for rocking with me. Thanks for rocking with the channel. And if you were feeling this, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you already haven't. I'll be here every week giving you tips and tricks or some inspiration, because it's time for us to start creating better beats on these iOS devices. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is it. It was lit. Peace.